Hey guys, welcome back to Video Basic Crazy Tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how you can create buttons, text box, picture box or any kind of controls dynamically. So in this project I have a blank form here, but in our final product, as you can see, we have 10 items there. Also, if you click on this Buy Now button, you have just bought product 2 or you have just bought product 3. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of software. So with that being said, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start the project by clicking on the file, a new project, and let's get a form. So for this project I'm going to use a panel. So let's grab a panel. Alright, let's select the panel and go over to the size property, and let's change the width to about 450 and the height to about 400. Alright, let me just resize the form a bit so that fits with the panel. Alright, now let's go over to the select the panel and go over to the auto scroll property and make the auto scroll to true. And also auto scroll minimum size, I'm gonna go over and change the height to just a little bit bigger than the normal height of this panel. So let's put 450. Yeah, that's gonna put the scroll bar from the start. Alright, now let's change the back color of this panel. I'm gonna use about sky color. So let's go and select in sky blue. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Alright, next I'm gonna get another panel. Alright, this panel is gonna be our product panel. So select that and go over to the size property and change the width to about 350 and height to about 100. Great. Let me just reposition it. Alright. Now select the panel and let's go over to the background image property and let's click on this box. That's going to bring us the select resource panel there. Alright, so now let me just open up that import, and I have already created 3 images there, so I'm going to get the panel one. There you go. And this thing, you have to remember that you have to import that in the resource file. So then click OK. Alright, so that's that. Now let's grab a level. There you go. Let me just put it right there. Now I'm gonna go over to the back color. I'm gonna change the level back color to transparent. Next I'm gonna go over to the auto size and make the auto size false. Now let's resize this so that it fits with that little white box there. Just a little bit. There you go. Now go over to the text line and make it middle center. Alright, now our level looks good. Let's just copy and paste it and put it on this section. And let's change the text property of this to description. Let's change this, the first level also. Let's make it product. Alright, now let's grab a picture box and put it right there. And let me just resize this first. Alright, let me just go over the size and change it to 58 by 58. Yeah, that's gonna make it a square. Yeah, that fits just fine. Now click on this little icon there and choose image. And then I'm gonna import image on my resource file again. So this time the product one, and then click OK. And then again click on this little icon there, and size mode I'm gonna change it to stretch image. That's gonna fit the image in our picture box. Great. Now last thing but not least, that I'm gonna get a button and put it right there. and I'm going to change this button size a bit. We'll go with the size and change it about 70, and let's make the height 25. Great. Now again, we're gonna go over to the background image, and we're gonna get the button image there, and on our resource, and then click OK. Then we're gonna go background color. We're gonna change that to transparent. We're gonna go over to the flat style. We're gonna make it pop up, and that's gonna bring our image to our button. Alright, another thing is we have to change the font of this button. Font color, full color, and then I'm gonna go and select the white. Alright, that looks just fine. Let's just test. Alright, yeah, everything looking good, I guess. Yeah. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go select the font and go over to the start position, and then change to center screen. Great. Now let's just double click on the font. Alright, now that our design part is over, we can move on to our coding section. So let's create a variable first. So dim product panel as new panel. Alright, so new panel, because we're creating this dynamically, that's why new panel. Previously we have created this panel. This is just for the reference. This is not going to work dynamically, so we have to create it dynamically again. So product panel dot width, that's going to be equals to our design panel width, so which is 350, and product panel dot height, that is equals to 100. Alright, fix that. Alright, so now product panel dot, alright, let me just select the product panel there and go over to the location, and in here, as you can see, the X is 41 and Y is 34. So this 41 and 34, I'm gonna get it there. So product panel dot to left equals to 41, which is our X value there. Just like that. There, X value is 41, so left is 41, and product panel dot top is equals to 34, which is our Y. Now product panel dot background image equals to my dot resources, which we have already imported there. So dot panel to BG, this one. So next, I'm gonna create that product panel dot background image layout equals to image layout dot stretch. Yeah. Alright, so now that's done. We can now create this panel. So how are we going to create that? So to create that, I'm going to put that in our back panel. This is our back panel. So I'm going to attach that panel to the back panel. So to do that, I'm going to type panel1 dot controls dot add, and then the product panel name, which is our product panel. There you go. So now let's delete this one. Let's delete this one for now, and let's hit test. And as you can see, the product panel with the background picture is there. So yeah, now let's just Control Z. And next, what I'm gonna do is I know that this thing is working, so now we can create more like levels and buttons. So let's just create that. So dim product level as new level. Alright, now I'm just gonna copy this part and paste it there, and I'm gonna just replace the product panel with the product level. So there you go, placing this. Alright, now so I need to select that product level there and go over to the size is 58 and 14, so X is 58, I mean the width is 58 and this one is 14. Okay, let's see the location of this. So location is x is 11 and y is 8, so we have to put left to 11 and top to 8. Alright, so now we have created this also. So now we can attach that. Well, our product panel, which is this panel, is attached with our back panel. So, but I want the level to be attached with our product panel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the name of this product panel, and I'm going to do the same thing, controls dot add and the name of the level. So it's going to be attached to the product panel, not the back panel. Alright, next I'm going to do is I'm going to create another variable, product button. Let's create a button now, product button. Alright, and this is going to be as new button and product button dot let's say width. Let me just go ahead and check the width there. The size for this button is 70 and 25. Alright, 25 and 72. So 70 is a width, and we say product button dot height equals to 25. Product. Well, let me just copy this part and let's just paste this there. Alright, so now left is with the location 272 and 8. Alright, let me just play that's 272 and 8. Alright, so that's done. So now it should work. Only thing remaining is that our picture box, but before that let me just add that there also. So product panel, I'm going to attach the button with the product panel also. So there you go, it has been attached. Now dim product picture, let's say picture. Alright, product picture as new picture box, and then I'm going to copy this part, whole part, and paste it there, and I'm going to replace the product panel with the product picture, just like that. Alright, now the width of this picture box was 58 and 58, and let me just select the picture box and go to the location and change that to 1033. So it's going to be left going to be 10 and top going to be 33, and the picture for the picture box was product, yeah, and this is going to be the same, yes, yeah. Alright, so now we just need to attach that. So I'm just gonna copy this part, and again we're gonna copy this there. Alright, so now let's just delete this part for now, and then let's debug this, and as you can see everything is coming very decently. So first thing is the text of these buttons and levels are missing, so we have to put those. So let's just go ahead and go over to the button. So product button dot text equals to, let's say, buy now, and the level product level dot text equals to, let's say, product for now. Alright, now that's done. Let's just go ahead and select that. Let's see. Alright, this is coming great, but this should be the background color of the level should be transparent. So product level dot back color equals to color dot transparent. Alright, now let's see again. Yeah, so everything else is looking awesome. Only thing, the buy now button is not properly fixed, so we have to fix that also. So where is the buy now button? There you go. Product button dot back color. First set the back color. Back color equals to color dot transparent. First make it that. Alright, now product button dot flat style equals to flat style dot pop up. Alright, now everything should work just fine. Yep. Now everything looking great. Only thing that we have to attach an image with our product button also. So product button dot background image equals to my dot resources dot button bg. Alright, now let's see. Yeah, so this is just like perfectly. By the way, I'm not making the description, so I'll just leave it like that. Maybe if you request me to make this description, I might be able to change that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna close that, and let's create 10 of these items dynamically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a for loop. So for I equals 0 to 10. Well, there's gonna be 11 values, so let's just make it 1 to 10. And here, the last, I'm gonna say next. So it's gonna close the loop there. So it's gonna put 10 times loop, and then it's gonna create all those buttons and levels dynamically. So alright, so now nothing's gonna happen if I hit the debug button. It's nothing gonna happen, but because they're on the top of each other, so well, we have to change that. So to fix that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create another variable just right before that for loop. So dim lot y, which is location y, equals 20. Alright, and then I'm gonna go just before the for loop ends. I'm gonna say lot y plus equals 25. So what I'm gonna do is every time the loop runs, it's gonna plus 25 to that location. Alright, so now I'm gonna just change the top to that 20. Alright, now let's just hit debug, and as you can see, everything working great. Well, one sec, this is 25, that's gonna work. It should be the height of that panel, which is here 100. So yeah, 100. Alright, let's hit play, and there you go. There is 10 products we got here. Alright, another thing is just a sec, product level dot text align equals text align. Let's type middle center. Yeah, content alignment middle center. Alright, now let's just go ahead and make the product name for each product. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just plus with the product and say I dot toString, and then hit play, and hopefully that's gonna bring us all these product names. So yeah, but our button is not working, so we have to fix that now. Now let's work on that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just for this example, just for now, I'm gonna create a button, and now let's just double click on the button and see what's there inside the button. Well, it created a sub, which is sub button 1 underscore click. This is the name of this sub, and then it creates a sender that is an object, and system event arguments, that is the E. Alright, and the handler. When you click the button, it's going to run this function. That's basically that. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete this handler. Alright. Next, I'm going to copy the name of this dynamic button. Paste it just right there. This is a button 1. I'm replacing that to product button. Alright. Now we just delete this button. Alright, so now we have to create a handler because we have deleted the handler. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go just write down the button. I'm gonna say add handler, and then there is the button name, which is this one. So button name dot click and handler. then button name dot click and then comma, and then we have to address where it's gonna go, so which is this sub. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type address of and then me, which is our font, dot this button, so product button underscore click this sub. Alright, so I'm just creating a handler that it's basically saying that when you perform the click, just go to this sub. So yeah, so when we're in sub now, we're gonna code a message box and saying it's working. Yeah, let's just hit debug and see what happens. Alright, if I click on buy now, it's working. Alright, that's cool. Now what I'm gonna do last, that the product name, that's gonna be a tag of that our button. So product button dot tag equals this product level dot text, this guy. Alright, and then we can say inside the message box, we can say this sender, which is our button, so sender dot our tag of this button, so tag. Alright, and then we're gonna say first, then you have just bought, and then space and then plus. So you have just bought the product name, which is coming from this tag, which is our level name, which is coming from the level, dynamic level. Yeah, let's just hit and play and see how this is working. So there is our product, final product, and like if I want to buy the product 2, I click on buy now, and you have just bought product 2. You have just bought product 5. So yeah, that's how you make this kind of dynamic button, dynamic panel, dynamic level, anything dynamic controls. So yeah, hope you like this tutorial, guys, and if you did, just give it a like. You know, I need feedback from you guys. If you like the video, then I would think that yeah, I'm making videos for you guys, and I can help you guys out. And if you dislike the video, just comment below that why you dislike the video, so that I can improve myself in the future. So guys, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. And make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to share with your friends, families, and Facebook. And make sure you click on this little bell icon, that's gonna send you a message whenever I make videos in future.